Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. It's me Vishal Lamisane from Prithvinarayan Secondary School. Today we are talking about very interesting topic. Its topic is our festival Dasai. So let's begin. As we know, our national festival is Dasai. There are different names of Dasai. So they are Bada Dasai, Dasahara, Vijay Dasami, Navaratra, Ayat Puja, etc. Religious aspect of Dasai. Dasai has its religious backstory behind the celebration. There are two stories behind the religious aspect. We are talking these two stories in a short form. So let's begin. God Durga severed Mahishasur, the demon who terrorized the whole world. So the Dasai is celebrated for the victory over good over evil. Another is the epic of Ramayana, where Bhagwan Ram got victory over Ravan, the evil of demon king of Lanka. It is the victory was only possible with the blessing of Goddess Durga. Thus, the Dasai symbolizes the triumph of virtue over evil. Dasai is celebrated for 15 days from Ashwin Shukla Pratipada to Purnima. Starting day of Dasai is called Ghatasthapana. In this day, people plant Jamara. And this day is started at Navaratra. By the way, in Navaratra, people worship different goddess at different days. The different 9 goddess who is called Navadurga are Shailiputri, Brahmacharini, Chandraghanta, Kusmanda, Skandamata, Katyayani, Kalratri, Mahagauri and Siddhiratri. Some important day of Dasai. The 7th day of Dasai is known as Fulfati. In this day, different things like paddy, flowers, jayanti, banana, sugarcane are collected and worshipped to goddess named Kalratri. The 8th day of Dasai is known as Mahaashtami. In this day, the all weapons at home are collected at the temple and worshipped to the goddess named Mahagauri. In this day, people sacrifice the animal like goat, buffalo. Blood symbolic for its fertility is offered to the goddess bloodthirsty Kali. The 9th day of Dasai is known as Mahanavami. It is the last day of Navaratri and worship to the goddess called Siddhidatri. In this day, it is believed that on this day, Ma Durga took the form of Mahishasur Mardini to destroy Mahishasur, the demon who was terrorizing our universe. Bada Dasami. The 10th day of the festival is Vijay Dasami. On this day, a mixture of rice, yogurt, and vermilion is prepared. This preparation is known as tikka. Elder put this tikka and zamara on the forehead of younger relatives to bless them with abundance in upcoming years. This continues to be observed for 5 days till the full moon, during which period families and relatives visit each other to exchange gifts and greetings. The last day of Dasai is known as Kozagrat Purnima. On this day, it is believed that Goddess Lakshmi descends on the earth and showers weaver is awake all night with wealth and prosperity. People enjoy the night by playing cards and much more. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Wish you all happy Dasai.
लहरे निभाउजु मुसमुसु हाँस्दै भित्र बाहिर गर्दैछन्। कोदो फुल्यो बारीमा ररी ररी रे चरी ररी ररी रे चरी ररी 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 रे
चरी ररी ररी रे चरी ररी ररी रे चरी ररी 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 रे
चरी ररी ररी रे चरी ररी ररी रे चरी ररी 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 रे
चरी ररी ररी
पीड़ी माँ बसी औला भाजी छोरा को औने दिन गंदई थिन पीड़ी माँ बसी औला भाजी छोरा को औने दिन गंदई थिन दसैँ को दिन ती बुढ़िया मैं आई पुग्दा छोरो दङ्गै छिन् भयो चमेली लरीले राख मलाई पिङको सिटैमा कति राम्री देखिन्छौ बरीले जमरा र रातो टिकैमा कोसेली बाँड्दैछन् लहरे नि भाउजू मुसमुसु हाँस्दै भित्र र बाहिर गर्दैछन्
कोदो फुल्यो बारीमा लरीले धानको बला झुल्यो खेतैमा नेपालीलाई सुहाउँछ
ररी रे चरी ररी ररी रे चरी ररी 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 रे
चरी ररी ररी रे चरी ररी ररी रे चरी ररी 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 रे
चरी ररी ररी रे चरी ररी ररी रे चरी ररी 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 रे
चरी ररी
ररी रे चरी ररी ररी रे चरी ररी 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 रे